the headquarters of Sean B's enemies. That's right, the Union Pathetic. And the main building is locked. We're just going to build the lobby elevator. I think it's like over here. Yeah. Here's a look though at the building. It's pretty neat. I'll just show it real quick. There it is. We're going to go in. The lobby elevator. Yes, it is custom. I like the custom. I like how they're just like that. I don't know how to word it, but it's neat. I also really like this cab. I think this place was built in 99 or 2000, I think. And I believe this is a Thyssen Dover. Yeah, it is. This is the basement. I don't even know. They're used to, here it is. Yeah, look, Thyssen. It says the manufacturer is Thyssen. But I think this is a Thyssen Dover. I think. Get the chime. Cool. I do like the custom innovation. I mean, it's not that custom, but it looks nice.